Industry may be in for a major overhaul. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has proposed new rules to rein in those companies that offer short-term loans with sky-high interest rates. KMTV reporter Joe Cadat has how local payday lenders could be affected. Joe.
Those proposed rules would require payday loan companies to verify a borrower's ability to repay the loan and make it harder for them to refinance a borrower's loans. Those companies in Nebraska say it would devastate their industry. The local social services agencies say it would hold payday loan companies accountable. Payday lenders in Nebraska say if the guidelines recommended by the Consumer Protection Agency were effective tomorrow, half of the 44 payday loan companies in Omaha would be out of business. Easy Money Regional Director Brad Hill argues the regulations would do more harm than good in Nebraska.
If this legislation would go into effect, you're going to chase people to offshore lenders that there's absolutely no regulation on, as opposed to states that are regulated like us.
Hill says most of his customers pay back their loans on time and come from different financial backgrounds.
We do have doctors, lawyers, policemen, teachers. I would say more to the middle class. You pretty much have to have a job. So I think you'd be surprised. It's probably a little bit more slanted towards the middle class.
But there are many struggling families in Omaha who rely on payday loans and then struggle to pay them back. Craig Howell directs local social services programs and says regulating payday loans is a good idea.
When the working poor, working for under living wage, they do not have a bank account, they have no choice. I mean, this is not a matter of, oh, I choose to go to a payday advance. They are caught.
And that lack of regulation, Howell says, can cause loan after loan to stack on top of the working poor. He says even a 15% interest rate can be devastating to those trying to make ends meet.
We see these people, we see them suffering, and they need help. And the type of help they need is not ones where they have interest rates to pay off before a payday happens, and then they have to do it twice or three times in one payday. That is simply not helping them get out of poverty.
The Better Business Bureau in Omaha says they receive few complaints about payday lenders. So few, their director can't remember the last time they received one. Reporting live in studio, Joe Cadat, KMTV Action 3 News.
Thousands of homes